Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars in Stratham, New Hampshire, we have the 2016 BMW M235i, XI I should say. So, I have driven the M2, but I've never driven the normal 2 Series, and everybody said that this platform is essentially the modern day E30. So, featuring a 3-liter inline, turbocharged inline 6, 320 horsepower, mated to, in this example, the 8-speed ZF automatic. A 6-speed manual was optional. How does it drive? Well, very, very well. I'm gonna put the heated seats on because my back is soaked from putting the plates on in the rain. We are in Sport Plus. I love the 3-liter. Such a good motor. And the ZF 8-speed is one of the best torque converter autos out there. And the thing I love about this car is its size. Like everybody said, it's the modern day E30 in terms of size. That makes this a very, very nimble playful car. Blind spots are honestly brilliant. Little blind spot there, but they have the blind spot mirrors anyway. This is an awesome little summer car, and honestly, if you want to start playing around with autocross, you want a car to cruise to the beach, this is kind of the perfect vehicle for you. .330 foot-pounds of torque, pound-feet of torque. Just a good car to drive. overall, good little car. I like him. Pretty fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.